This video is very useful to work in finite element simulation software. So how many types of states of stresses are there? So these are the 4 types of states of stresses, and the most important thing is states of stress depends upon the value of principal stresses sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3. First one is a triaxial stress state. For this stress state, it is important that all three principal stresses are unequal. As shown in this diagram, sigma 1 value is 290, sigma 2 value is 70 and sigma 3 value is 35. So here sigma 3 value is compressive in nature. That means the stresses can be compressive or tensile or a combination of both. So this is called as triaxial stress situation. A situation is there where all three principal stresses are equal. Then it is called as hydrostatic stress state. As shown in this diagram, sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3 all are equal. It may be tensile or compressive in nature. Third stress state is the cylindrical stress state. For this stress state, two principal stresses are equal and third is said to be non-zero. It can be compressive or tensile in nature. So this stress state is called cylindrical stress state. Fourth is a uniaxial stress state in which two principal stresses are zero. It is called as uniaxial stress state. Here only sigma 1 value is there and sigma 2 and sigma 3 is 0. For biaxial stress state, one principal stress is 0 and there should be a value of two stress states, sigma 1 and sigma 2. So this is called biaxial stress state or plane stress condition. Thank you.